Hi, I'm Monica, founder of Hold Space Creative, and in this video I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can customize one of our mini site templates. These one-page website templates are built on Squarespace 7.1 and include all the essentials of a full website within one streamlined professional page. Our mini sites are perfect for therapists and coaches who are just starting out, need something affordable, or folks who are just trying out a new offer and need a dedicated landing page. So as you can see, I'm customizing the Jade template by swapping out all the demo content and adding new content based on this mock therapist. So I'm typing in my website copy that matches Sarah Mitchell LCSW's website. And as I'm typing, I'm just going to kind of make sure things are looking great on the page, whether that means adjusting global font styles or moving the blocks around the page. If you need help writing your landing page, each of our mini sites comes with a copywriting template to help you write the words that will connect with your best fit clients. And that comes as a separate document, so you can work on forming your copy before you even make any changes in Squarespace. And that's actually what I recommend doing, writing your copy out beforehand, because then by the time you get into Squarespace, all you have to do is basically copy and paste what you've already written into the design. And it just streamlines the process. Now, each of our mini sites come with this service summary section where you can just summarize the services that you provide. We include two service areas in each of our templates, because if you're just starting out, you likely only have one or two services as it is. If you have more than that, a mini site probably isn't the best option for you. You should look at a full site template. But for the mini sites here, we're looking at kind of one or two basic services. Now, something else I wanted to mention while I continue customizing this template is that each of our mini sites comes with an SEO checklist. This is actually included in all of our templates, both mini and full site templates. But our SEO checklist is exactly what it sounds like. It's a checklist to help you set your website up for search engine optimization so that as your website grows, you can start to attract clients online, whether through search engines or AI search. Now I'm going to speed up the video a little bit as I add in the rest of the content to this page, but I wanted to point out something that you might have missed because it happened so quickly at the beginning. I changed the colors from the original demo colors to this new color palette, and it happened at the very beginning and only took about 30 seconds, but I wanted to mention that you can change the colors, customize the colors to your brand colors over in the Site Styles panel, which I'll show you again toward the end when I tweak the fonts a little bit. But first, I'm just going to make sure my call to action button goes to my scheduling page and my anchor links are jumping to the sections that I want them to jump to. Now let's look at that Site Styles panel. So under fonts, you'll see colors, and that's where I adjusted the color palette at the very beginning of this video. And each mini site includes a tutorial on how to do all of this. So even if you've never used Squarespace before, I'll walk you through it. But here I'm making some font adjustments. So I wanted to swap out the heading font, and I'm just scrolling through some different fonts to see what looks good on the page. You might already have your own brand fonts picked out, in which case you could search for those and set them there. And I'm just adjusting some sizing and spacing as I see everything, how everything looks on the page. Now, last but certainly not least, I'm checking out the mobile site. I'm making sure that everything I just added is still looking great on mobile. We can actually click and drag our blocks on mobile and readjust sizing of the layout on mobile without affecting the desktop site on Squarespace. So that's pretty cool. So as I make my last finishing touches here, you can see on the screen recording timer on the left, it's right about at 30 minutes. So the whole process of customizing this mini site took me about a half hour, and all I have to do from here is connect a domain and publish. So if you're ready for a professional website that costs about as much as an average therapy session, head to holdspacecreative.com.